Now, next point is the magnetic intensity, and that this is we are defining with a H. So, what has been found कि when a magnetic material, we can write when a magnetic material kept in magnetic field, so due to the effect of field, due to this field, a magnetic field induced, or due to the effect of this field, a field will develop inside the material. That field is called magnetizing field. That field is called magnetizing field, and the intensity of magnetized field is expressed with I, So the net field inside the substance is vector sum of the applied field and sum of the applied field and magnetized field If B is the net magnetic field inside the matter, then magnetic intensity H is defined as H is equal to B by mu naught into I. This is the another vector which we are representing with the H, that is called magnetic field or magnetic intensity vector. So, magnetic intensity H has same unit and dimension as an intensity of magnetizing having, as an intensity of magnetization is having, like this. So, this is the vector H we are defining. So, from here we can say H plus I is equal to B by mu naught, or B is equal to mu naught H plus I. This is the way. So, B is the resultant magnetic field inside the material, and H is the magnetic intensity, I is the intensity of magnetization. Now, come to the next point.